Good morning, my dear class 7 students. Today we are going to discuss triangle and its properties, the topic Pythagoras theorem. We have discussed what is Pythagoras theorem yesterday. Today we will be dealing with the problems related to Pythagoras theorem. First, let us revise what is Pythagoras theorem. Here we know that this is a right-angled triangle. What is a right-angled triangle? Right-angled triangle is a triangle in which one of its interior angle is 90 degree. Now you can see the lengths of the three sides are given as A, B, C, and this is the longest side in this triangle. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, we have A square plus B square is equal to C square. Once again, what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem states that A square plus B square is equal to C square. That is, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the legs. Hope you remember that. If you don't understand, please go and watch the previous video. Now let us see the problems based on Pythagoras theorem. Here the first question is PQR is a triangle right-angled at P. If PQ is equal to 10 cm and PR equal to 24 cm, find QR. Now, you don't have any figure given in your question. So, the first step is to draw a right-angled triangle. Let us see. Here comes the right-angled triangle. Now, what is the right angle? Here is the right angle. Now, in the question, it is given that the triangle is right-angled at P. Okay, so the right angle is named as P. You can write Q and R wherever you like. Here, I am taking Q here and R above. Now, tell me which are the legs of this right-angled triangle. You know, PQ and PR are the legs. And which is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is QR. Legs are PQ and PR and hypotenuse is QR. Now, applying Pythagoras theorem. But before that, we have to write the measurements. PQ equal to 10 cm, PR equal to 24 cm. You have to find QR. So, as the given triangle is a right-angled triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Students, I am telling you again, Pythagoras theorem is applicable only for right-angled triangle. So, applying Pythagoras theorem, we know that the square on the legs, that is PQ square plus PR square is equal to QR square. Once again, PQ square plus PR square is equal to QR square. Now, substituting the values, PQ is 10, PR is 24. 10 square plus 24 square is equal to, what is 10 square? What do you mean by 10 square? It means 10 into 10. 10 square means 10 into 10. 10 into 10, 100. 24 square means 24 into 24, 576. 10 square means 10 into 10, 100. 24 square means 24 into 24, 576. So 100 plus 576 is equal to 676. Now you got QR square is equal to 676. What does it mean? That is, when you multiply a particular number 2 times, you are getting 676. Once again, when you are multiplying a particular number 2 times, you are getting 676. So how will you find that number? Let's see. How will you find the square root of 676? Step 1. Prime factorize 676. What is prime factorization, children? It is like this. What you do, isn't it? So you will get 2 into 2 into 13 into 30. Now group the numbers into pair of 2. Group the numbers into pair of 2. How will you do? First group and second group. Take one number from each group and multiply. From this group I am taking 1, 2 out. From this group I am taking 1, 13 out. Now what is square root of 676? It is 2 into 13, 26. This is necessary for you to learn this process. Because in Pythagoras theorem, you will have to find the square root of particular numbers. So, understand the process properly and clearly. So, the length of QR is equal to 26 centimeter. Next question. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. If AB equal to 25 centimeter and AC equal to 7 centimeter, find BC. Students, as discussed in the previous question, we will first draw the figure. Here, right angled at C. Right angled at C. So, what will you do? You will name this vertex as C. The other two vertex you can decide. I have taken it like this: A, B and C. The only condition is that when you name, the 90-degree angle should come as C because it is asked in your question. Applying Pythagoras property, we have AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. Students, it is not order to write such things in each question. It depends on the figure which you draw. Okay? This property, when you are writing, it depends on the figure which you draw. Here I have C, AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. Now, which is unknown to you? It is BC square. BC square is equal to AB square minus AC square. Isn't it? I am taking this AC square to this side. So, plus becomes minus. Now, 25 square minus 7 square. How will you find 25 square? 25 into 25. That is 625. 7 square. 7 into 7, 49. 625 minus 49. It's equal to 576. How will you find the square root of 576? It's the method which we discussed previously. Here it is there. Prime factorization of 576. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now I have grouped it in different colors into a pair of 2. So from each group I am taking one number outside and then multiplying it. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24. Okay, so square root of 576 is equal to 24. So the length of BC is equal to 24 centimeter. Now next question. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12 meter high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance A. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. Now this is your ground. This is the wall. You have a window at a height of 12 meter. So the ladder is leaned. It is kept like this so that the wall and the ground makes a 90-degree angle. So now the figure becomes a right angled triangle. Here what is given? 12 meter and 15 meter. Here also you are going to apply Pythagoras property. That is a square plus 12 square. Students, to make you remember this, look here, this is an L shape. L shape. So the numbers written on the L shape will be added. The square of the numbers written on the L shape will be added to get this number. That is 12 square plus a square is equal to 15 square. So I am taking this to right side. So 15 square minus 12 square. What is 15 square? 15 into 15, 225. 12 square is 12 into 12, 144. Minus it. This is a square, children. So 225 minus 144. The answer is 81. A equal to square root of. This symbol is of square root. Square root. Square root of 81. That is 9. 9 into 9, you know it is 81. So the square root of 81 is 9 meter. The distance of the foot from the ladder is equal to 9 meter. So this distance is equal to 9 meter. Students, this is a very important topic in this chapter, Pythagoras property. You can expect one question from this topic. So understand the concept clearly. Do the problems in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.